Hello guys, in this video we will be seeing how to clone the remote repository, and we will be making few changes locally and we will be pushing those changes again into the remote repository. So now in order to clone the repository we need the repository URL, so we can get that URL from the repository page. So click on the code and copy this HTTPS link. Now go to the terminal and type git clone and paste the URL here. Yeah. Now the repository has been cloned successfully. Now we'll be making few changes to this file. So I'm just going to make a minor change. So here I'm just going to remove this space here. Yeah, I have done that. Now in order to see like what are the changes we have done, so just get into the directory and type git status. Here we can see what are the files which we have made changes. So in order to track these files, we need to type git add hyphen all. Now we need to commit these changes. Just type git commit hyphen m and then the message saying removed space and hit enter. Now in order to push these changes to the remote repository, just type git push origin main. Now get into the remote repository and refresh the page. See, now the space has been removed. So in this way we can make changes to the local repository and we can push these changes to the master branch. Thank you.